Okay, so some of my favorite hacks and things that I really love, obviously the accounting software platform itself is very important. So one thing would be choose a very good accounting software platform, okay? And one that is in line with your business operations and can handle the complexities of your business. So there are some packages that are very small, that can just do the basics of accounting, your debits and your credits. And then you need some packages that actually manufacture and tell you about your stock levels and tell you about your waste levels, your usage, things like that. It's not every software that can do that. So it's very important to, first of all, pick a software package that is able to do that. And one of the hacks that I love, for example, nowadays that makes it very easy is just going back to Xero. And I know I sound like an advocate for the Xero accounting platform, but this is just really how good it is a feature called HabDoc, for example. And what HabDoc allows you to do as a business owner is actually just take pictures of your supplier invoices, any supporting documentation, and email it directly to an email account that is linked to your Xero. So instead of you having to scan documents and that kind of thing to send to your accountant, who then uploads them onto Xero, you can actually directly send them onto the Xero platform, and your accountant just reconciles it from there. So I really love that hack. The other thing that I love is the data management system, and it's not only on Xero, it's on a couple of other accounting platforms as well, where you can program your accounting software to actually send out reminders to your debtors about money owed by a certain time of the month. So you don't need to sit down and go through your entire list. Automated statements and reminders are sent out. So those I can say are two of my favorite hacks when it comes to accounting software.